Hi, I'm Carole King. Many of you know me through my music, but I'm also a mom and a grandmother who's concerned about the future. I've been fortunate to know Ed Markey, and I know that his leadership and experience have made a real difference on issues that affect all of us. By electing Ed Markey, you who live in Massachusetts will truly have a champion in the Senate who'll stand up for you on job creation, on protecting the environment for generations to come, on equal pay for equal work, and women's health, which, by the way, are not just women's issues, they're family issues. So, on Tuesday, June 25th, write that down, Tuesday, June 25th, go to the polls and bring everyone you know with you. Elect Ed Markey, and you'll have a friend in the Senate.